It's probably gonna be October 7th that I am at the station. Good morning. It is already. Uh, I still forget. Oh, what stupid. And now she's silent. Afternoon was it right? Oh man. From when I woke up until now, she was screaming. Yeah, afternoon. Mira muy birdie, eh? Mira muy birdie. My birdie. My birdie. Birdie is a little scared of the camera. See that? She's a little scared. She's a good. Why? Why is she scared? Why is she scared? I don't know. Later. When I'm gonna edit this, she's gonna react to herself. That's Ellis. That's Birdie. She's wide awake. This with a little bit harder is what she does. Hé, je maakt me een beetje doof, hè? She's wide awake, wide awake, wide awake. But yeah, my right ear is gonna hurt. But hi, I'm here also. It's not only Birdie. Oh wait, I zoomed in. So yeah. Hi. It's probably gonna be October 7th that I am at a station of Zradio. Um, but I also have an idea to maybe lunch together, and that day is one of the two matches that is gonna play qualifier for the World Cup. And I said, I understand if you only want me to come to the station, but it's just an idea. Maybe we could watch it together. And maybe he's gonna say, but we cannot watch it. And then I'm gonna say, yeah, well, there's a live stream. Well, it's with Dutch commentary, but you understand the match. So yeah. Well, I'll see how that will go, but I can't wait. 4 weeks till takeoff. Today, 4 weeks till takeoff. And the only normal day that I could go over to the station is October 7th, because I arrive October 6th, and the full fundraiser starts October 10th, the Monday, and yeah, so that's the only normal day that I can visit Alice and Tyler from the morning show. We'll see. But he's typing again. And I'm gonna be deaf, but okay. It's nice to know I'm not alone.
People killing, people dying. Children hurt, I hear them crying. Can you practice what you're preaching? Would you turn the other cheek again? Mama, tell us what the hell is going on. Can we all just get along? Father, help us, is a guidance from above. People got me questioning. Yeah, so long, well, yeah, look like they not on my way. I get all tripping, I'm talking, where's the love? 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 Man, it's what's different, and that's exactly how it works not race. Man, we are saturated, controlling your mind is let's say. Let's hold this ground, get enough of the whole world. People killing, people dying. Children hurt, I hear them crying. Can you practice what you're preaching? Would you turn the other cheek again? Mama, tell us what the hell is going on. Can we all just get along? Father, help us, is a guidance from above. People got me questioning. Where's the love? I just want to say, where's the love? 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 Where's the love?